Hi everybody, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel and to another Amazon clothing haul. It is now springtime. I don't know about anybody else, but I know I'm ready for warmer weather and dresses. So today's video, I have some fun springtime dresses. Now I did get a size medium in all of these. So the first dress I have is this very pretty Billabong dress. It is a wrap front midi dress. Very pretty. It is a black color with a very pretty little flower print on it. And it has a little bit of a flutter sleeve. And it has a pretty deep V-neck on it. Can't really tell from the pictures. And then it has the tie around the waist. And it does wrap around the front. So it has no slits in the side. Very pretty pattern. It is 100% rayon. I do have it in a couple other colors. Very pretty. Okay, so the next dress that I have, my allergies are really acting up, so if I sound nasally, I'm sorry. But we have another wrapped dress. This is a Bohemian floral printed summer casual short sleeve V-neck dress in this very pretty pink blue flower print. It is very wrinkly at the moment. It wasn't folded in the back or anything, it was just stuffed in there. It does come in a lot of colors. The sleeves you got a little bit of a ruffle on them. Again, it is a V-neck. It's got a pretty floral print down the V-neck part of it. Then it does wrap and tie. It is looks like it's about ankle length, so we'll see. Cute pattern. It doesn't Okay, so I found the tag, and it is 100%. Is 100%. It says rayon. I don't know if that's the same thing as rayon or not. But there's the tag. So we'll see what that looks like. Okay, so the next dress is this very pretty ruffle crepe high-low wrap midi dress. Does come in a quite a few other colors. This is the black medium floral twig one. Does have a black background, and then kind of almost like not quite a dandelion, but close to patterns. It has a little bit of yellow and cream color in there. Very pretty ruffle sleeves. I love me a ruffle sleeve. I just love ruffles in general. Okay, so it is another wrap dress. Apparently I'm feeling the wrap dresses lately. Okay, so it's gonna wrap like that, and you've got some more ruffles down the front, and then the ruffle goes all the way around the back. Very pretty pattern, but it does come in a lot of other colors. It is a 96% polyester and 4% spandex. I don't really feel that it has any stretch to it, but it is a very light material. Work for those hot summer days as well. Okay, so the next dress I got is this very pretty, says fit and flare halter neck elastic stretch asymmetrical hem midi dress. So it is a halter top. This is a says the storybook floral. It does come in a couple other colors. It's got the button on the back and a little keyhole. The waist does have elastic in it, so that is nice. So it does have the, you can see it, does have the like the little flared hem on it. The does have the see-through outer fabric, and then the inside fabric is like a cream color. Very flowy, very pretty pattern. I'm not much of a yellow person, but I think it's very cute. It's a little more on the dressier side, so it could work for different occasions. It is 100% polyester. Very pretty dress. Okay, so the next dress we have is this summer ruffle puff sleeve dress, short sleeve v-neck, casual waist, loose striped midi dress. That is a long title. So it is just striped. It's blue and white. They do have a few other colors. You have the ruffle around the neck, which does not have any really elastic in it. You've got the puffy sleeve with a little ruffle, and the sleeve does have elastic in it. Then you've got the buttons down the front, which are just decorative. They are like a wooden button. Then you've got tassels hanging down. Don't really kind of care for that tassel. You've got an elastic waist, and then you've got the ruffle along the bottom. It might be a little bit see-through. We'll have to see. Kind of reminds me of like a nautical theme. Okay, so it's 100% polyester. It doesn't feel like the most comfortablest dress. It's not necessarily heavy, but might not be too great of a fabric for warmer weather. Okay, so the next dress that we have, this is just a super simple dress, but I thought it was super cute. It is a sleeveless scoop neck striped maxi sundress with a razor back. This one is the dark gray stripe. They do have a few other colors. It's got okay, so it doesn't have any slits on the side. It is super long. It is a cotton and spandex blend, so I mean it's got a little bit of stretch to it. But just a simple basic dress, you know, lounging dress, a running errands dress. I just thought it was cute, and I do like the gray and white stripe. Looks like it'd be super comfy. Okay, so my thoughts on these dresses. So I thought that the Billabong dress was super cute. I really like it. It is comfortable. The Bohemian wrap dress, it is cute. I do like the feel of the fabric. This one and the other wrap dress, the top where the wrap goes across your chest, there's a lot of room in it. I'm not very big chested by far, so if you are a little bit bigger chested and could fill it out better, that would probably it would probably fit a lot better. But for me, I'm gonna have to say no on this dress. The other wrap dress I think is very cute. I love the ruffled sleeves, but yet again, in the chest area, it's just a tad bit too big. So that, and other than that, is super cute. This halter dress is it's very cute as well, but again, it is a little bit big, and not so much in like the chest area, but there's like more fabric under the armpits that kind of stick out a little bit. There is a size medium, but I think the small would probably be a little bit too small everywhere else, but it is cute. The nautical looking dress, I'm going to have to pass on that. I do not like the fabric. It is not very comfortable. The waist is a little tight, so when you lift your arms up, it rides up and you gotta pull it down. So that dress is a no for me. The Racerback dress is super cute. It is comfortable. It is quite a bit form-fitting. So maybe it is a medium, so I might try to maybe go to a large, maybe not be as tight, but it is super comfortable and very cute. Okay, Okay, so that is the few dresses that I picked out. I would have to say that my favorite was probably the Racerback one and the Billabong one. Okay, so it's been a couple days since I started this video. My battery died on me, so I had to let it charge, and then I got busy with other things. So if you have a favorite dress in this haul, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. If you are interested in any of these dresses, I will leave the links for them in the description. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.